Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So I was driving the M6 last night and I noticed after I got out of the car and turned it off, the oil light turned on. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about and what I do to fix it. So basically, go ahead and start your car. So on this left hand side, you hit BC. So I normally leave it on this. Okay, so the car started and you'll see this steering wheel stop right here. And it says checked and BC. So what I do is so I'm gonna hit BC and it scrolls through gas mileage, oil. That's what you want to look at. So do you see how it's pretty low at 0.1 L? So whenever it hits 0.1 L, I top it off. So I'm gonna show you how much I top it off. So let's go ahead and turn off the car. So you reach down here, pop the hood. Play on that. So when you're sitting in the driver's seat, it'll be left hand, but if you're facing the car, it'll be on the right hand side slightly. Right here, reach down there, so you pop the spring, push that, and it releases the head. So the engine is a little warm, but it's not too bad. I only started it for like a minute just to show you guys. But this is where we add oil. Okay, so I went ahead and have a new bottle of oil. I just opened it already and broke the seal, just to make it easy to make this video. But basically you just twist this off and then you break that seal and grab a funnel and a towel. So let's go ahead and top it off. So lift this and set that oil cap aside, put your funnel in, and we only want 3/4 of this bottle. So that's half, 500 ml. So we're gonna do it down to 250 ml. There we go. So 250 ml. You just kind of have to get it a little close, but that should push it back up to a nice amount in the engine until my next oil change. But I always keep one of these bottles, one or two on hand, in between oil changes. So I normally buy around like 10, or actually like 11 to 12 of these for every oil change, and about 9 to 10 go into the engine, and then it leaves me with 2 as a spare to top off. But all right, go ahead and I'm wiping up that off. Go ahead and get your funnel out, so I don't want to drip it on the engine. All right, put the oil cap back on. Okay, let's go make sure that oil level goes back up. Go back in the car. So now we have topped off oil. Let's turn on the engine. update. Okay, so I just drove about 30 minutes and here, the oil level has updated. So it's perfect. It's at 1 liter in there. So right at the top mark. So not too much, not too little. So if you're at 0.1 L, top it off 750 ml and it'll get it up to right there. But all right, well, I think we're good to go. All right, well, there you have it. That's how I top off engine oil in a BMW M6. And basically these cars burn through oil pretty quick with the V10. But all right, that's how I keep my M6 going. So it's been pretty reliable. I haven't worked on it in so long. I need to do an oil change pretty soon, but I'll get everything ordered and then stay tuned. I'll show you a step-by-step oil change for the M6. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below.